Hello guys, from the book Treasures of English for class 8. Today we will do another answer key. This answer key is from Unit 3 Section 2. Name Abraham Lincoln. Let's see the answers. Answer orally. The people of northern states were against the practice of slavery and wanted to abolish it. The Constitution of America is based on the equality of man. Therefore, there was no place for slavery in the northern states. Multiple choice questions. For first one, answer part B, man. For second one, answer part B, threat to the country's unity. For third one, answer part B, human freedom. Next exercise, read and answer. Number 1. The country was having problem regarding the practice of slavery. The white men owned large farms in the southern state. Blacks were brought from Africa to work on these farms. They were kept as slaves. Number 2. During Lincoln's presidency, the southern state seceded from the uniform because they were against the abolition of slavery. On the other hand, Lincoln and the northern states were against slavery. 6 weeks after Lincoln became president, the Civil War began. This put the unity of country in danger. In this war, the northern states were prepared to form another country. But Abraham Lincoln wanted the states to be united. Number 3. In 1862, Lincoln declared that from then on all slaves would be free. This made him very popular among the people. Next exercise, think and answer. Number 1. 10 cents earned are more valuable than a dollar found. Number 2. The teacher should give the student time to ponder about the extreme mystery of birds in the sky, bees in the sun, and flowers on a green hill. The teacher needs to teach him to have faith in his own ideas, even if everyone tells him they are wrong. Number 3. This will help him to be brave. Number 4. It is important to have faith in oneself that will inspire and motivate one to have confidence in one's own potentials or abilities that will boost one's morale to do something good in life. Next exercise, reference to context. Part A. Abraham Lincoln is referred to in the given line. Part B. In 1862, Lincoln declared that from then onwards all slaves would be free. This made him very popular among the people. Part C. Yes, I consider him to be an apostle of peace. He wanted to preserve the unity of the country at any cost. He made sincere efforts to heal the people's wounds caused by the war. Next exercise, time for discussion. Abraham Lincoln seems to have a lot of expectations from the teacher. A teacher can impart good values and knowledge to a student by guiding him to become a good human being. So it may be the reason he writes a letter to the teacher so that the teacher could guide his son to become a better person. Word quiz. Part A. Abolition. Next exercise, listen. For first one, answer true. Second, true. Third, true. Fourth, false. Next exercise, grammar. Part A. Number 1. You must run so fast that you win the race. Number 2. Rohan looks very angry when he sees injustice being done. Number 3. She is learning Japanese so that she is able to understand what the Japanese say. Number 4. They left school early to visit their relatives. Part B. Now, for first one, answer part B, so that. For second one, answer part B, when. For third one, answer part C, while. For fourth one, answer part D, because. Next exercise, be word wise. For first one, answer part B, on his face. For second one, answer part D, a pin drop. For third one, answer part C, for thought. For fourth one, answer part D, molds. Next exercise, writing fun. Respected ma'am and dear friends, I am sure you will all agree that our freedom is invaluable and we gained it after a long struggle against the Britishers. August 15, 1947 is a landmark in the history of our country. On this day, the British government in India declared that India was not a part of the British Empire any longer. India became a sovereign country. Following it, a government headed by Jawaharlal Nehru was formed without any English administrator in it. As an independent sovereign now, India can move ahead, ushering a new era of development by focusing on the economic, educational and social progress of the country. As we have gained absolute political freedom from the British Empire, we can exercise our right to choose our own government. Let us use the newly gained freedom of our country for celebrating Let us use the newly gained freedom of our country for celebrating the core values of this nation: democracy, secularism, cultural pluralism, and integrity. We must look forward to a bright future and address issues like illiteracy and poverty. I am sure together we can hope and work to move ahead. Let us all join hands and be one. Thank you. Next exercise, Value Corner. Yes, I agree with this statement that we cannot eradicate social injustice or exploitation prevalent in our society through violent means. Social injustice or exploitation can also be eradicated through peaceful negotiations. For example, in the chapter The Narayanpur Incident, Mohan and other college students protested against British exploitation with the help of Gandhi's principles of non-violence and peaceful demonstration. Next exercise, project. In order to do this project, teachers can help students with information on the sources of collecting the coins and their values in the past. Teachers can also help students with websites from where the student can gather help and images. Students can do the prize in groups or pain issues of poverty, gender bias, unemployment, illiteracy may be highlighted. Next exercise, life skill. Students are to be encouraged to think independently and choose one of the options. Teachers should help students with certain examples from history, such as the atonement of Emperor Ashoka after the War of Kalinga. Students may discuss that we should not be divided on the basis of religion, economic background, or caste. Violence and war always bring harm and long lives. Universal brotherhood is essential to bring in peace and progress. Okay guys, that's all for the chapter. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Shub's English tutorials. Goodbye. Take care.